10 habits that will completely transform you. Do these daily. If you're feeling stuck, like your goals are on pause and your motivation took an extended vacation, this is for you. Whether you're chasing clarity, confidence, or just trying to stop doom scrolling your way through life, 10 habits will completely transform you if you work on them every single day. Forget motivation. Forget waiting for the perfect time. The truth is, who you become is hidden inside what you do daily. This audiobook isn't about adding more to your to-do list. It's about refining what matters. So let's cut through the noise and dive into what moves the needle. 1. Master your morning. Every day is a blank canvas, and your morning is the brush. How you start sets the tone for everything else. You don't need a 5 a.m. ice bath or monk-like discipline. You need a system. Wake up, hydrate, move your body, and set one clear intention. That's it. The power is in the consistency. 2. Speak to yourself like someone you love. Let's be honest, your inner voice might be your worst critic. But here's the trick. The way you speak to yourself becomes the way you believe in yourself. Train it daily. Use affirmations that don't sound fake, something real, like, I'm learning to handle life with calm and courage. That's self-readership, not toxic positivity. 3. Focus like it's a superpower, because it is. Distraction is the new addiction. And you're not lazy, you're overstimulated. To build real momentum, give your mind the gift of single tasking. Try the 50-10 method. 50 minutes of deep work, 10 minutes of real rest. You don't need 10 hours of grind. You need focused energy. 4. Move, even if you don't feel like it. Your brain lives in your body. If your body is sluggish, your thoughts will be too. Movement isn't about abs. It's about aliveness. Stretch, walk, dance like nobody's watching, especially because nobody is. Physical momentum unlocks mental clarity. 5. Do one hard thing on purpose. Comfort zones feel safe, but nothing grows there. Every day, challenge yourself. Send that email. Have that awkward conversation. Try that side hustle idea. Growth doesn't come from ease. It comes from intentional effort. That's why these 10 habits that will completely transform you are not magic. They're muscles, and this is your workout. 6. Build a 5-minute reflection practice. At the end of the day, ask, what did I learn? What could I do better tomorrow? 5 minutes. That's all it takes to turn experience into wisdom, because growth isn't automatic. It's intentional. 7. Guard your inputs like a gatekeeper. Your brain is not a dumpster. Don't feed it garbage and expect gold results. Curate your social feed. Audit your conversations. Pay attention to what energizes versus what drains you. Garbage in, garbage out. Greatness in, greatness out. 8. Practice micro-gratitude. Big gratitude lists are great, but micro-gratitude, that's the real game changer. Notice the warmth of your coffee mug, the silence between noises. The text is from a friend. This rewires your brain to see opportunity, even in chaos. 9. Say no, often. Every yes you say to someone else is a no to your focus, your energy, your mission. Practice daily boundaries. It's not selfish. It's how you protect your priorities. Remember, success doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing what matters more often. 10. Visualize the future you want, then act like it's inevitable. Spend 5 minutes a day seeing your future self, not just the result, but the version of you who does the work. What do they say no to? How do they walk into a room? What habits do they never skip? Then ask, what's one small thing I can do today to move in that direction? In closing, listen, transformation doesn't come in one grand gesture. It comes in daily decisions. So if you want lasting change, build the rituals that reshape your reality. Let these 10 habits that will completely transform you anchor your day. Because change isn't a lightning strike, it's a daily drip. And one day, you'll look back and realize you have become everything you used to dream of.